What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And people, just want to say thanks again for everyone who's been tuning to J, no 416 to what? 876 Jamaica. People that don't see the description, don't see thumbnail, and we'll come to talk about. Right? So, like again, people, we are talking. This is just my outlook, how I'm looking at situations that's going on right now. You understand me? I try to say my people, so don't put it on things like my bias or anything like that, right? But me have a video I go play right now when the woman give her opinion of how far it is right now. You understand? So just want to go and tune in and bless up on yourself. When I come back and I go hear my reaction of what me think right now. Booyah!
Come to Canada with your family. It's the best place for families. It's the best place to work. It's the best place to live. Which part? Which part? With Prime Minister, feel we. Justin Trudeau is a big feel to Canada. And yes, your goons them can't come for me now, because me no afraid. Let me tell you something, especially to my Jamaicans. You see, if you don't get the opportunity to go to Canada, America or England, me beg you no do choose America or England. You no come to Canada, because this Prime Minister go put you to work like dog and you not go get nothing from it. If Canadians live here in this place and I move out, what says we will come here? In 20 odd years, me never see this country run like this yet. Justin Trudeau in for 8 years, and it's the 8 worst years I've ever seen as a leader. If you used to pay $1,500 for the basic mortgage, it is now $35,000 to $4,000. So $3,500 to $4,000. That's a basic mortgage. If you used to rent for $700, it's now $21, because rent tripling at this. Your paycheck stuck, no gone nowhere. Minimum wage $15. How you fi use that pay for stuff? If you are minimum wage right now, God go with you in this. They say this Prime Minister have 3 mansions right now, 3 to 4. His chef live in a one. Him live in a one, he have one on the lake, and he's thinking about making another one. While people downtown Toronto, thousands, hundreds of people, they're on the street right now with pitney. Refugees went to Kina, this student went to come here. They're Toronto right now. Yes, as someone know we had. See there? At this me have on the hat. What will happen when winter come? Who have the worst winter like Toronto? What got to them people then? Prime Minister, people are work overtime in this penalty, lick them left, right and center. Me have one friend, well, attack and a complain the other day, having wife and he pity them. And the man worked 30 hours overtime. 30 hours overtime to make ends meet. And that come to $1,600. And Trudeau take $1,000 and give the man $600. 1,000, you know, so make him take you 600 and you know, he take you $1,000. So that why I tell the man say if you go rob and thief, or if you go live a door, join the people them where they are Toronto. And then you say Canada is a family country. Family my ass. Family where? Can family survive here? The mother and the father have to out there do 2 jobs each for surviving at this. So what family they? And no separation that. Your wife right to separate from you. She never do a better thing, because for me to make no chance, so I couldn't stand you neither. Let me tell you, my Jamaican people, if you have a next opportunity, don't take Canada. Rough out of this. Calgary, we're even a little bit better over here, so people they don't depend 10th road and ask the government to think here. In take with taxpaying money and in send it go yes and this stuff, we go fight war. Right? The same people them in a film country are dead. The same people them in a film country are dead for needs and wants. Live a road. International student in just stop them from coming to the country now. So if you spend up all your money If you come here as an international as a student, God go with you. Because let me tell you something about students. Students over here in a room, I share a room with 3 other people on one mattress and have to pay $500 a month. Facts. Eh? So in a way, I have to say thank God in stop uno. And uno work, uno hours to try to pay for uno school and I feel go under them disadvantage. Them something are every. And enough of uno go say, so why you still here? Why you there? Can't have 20 something years, me 3 pitney them. Nothing in this world want me back in Canada but me 3 pitney them would have gone long time. Ask me husband, ask me mother, ask me friend them. And me 3 pitney them have my back here. 18, 16, 14. One I got college now, one I got done high school in 2 years, and the next one I go start high school. And that keep me back here. That's why me no gone yet. And if you come here, you never make nothing of yourself before, it now go make no. And never see cost of living this high. Inflation. Groceries, you can't buy. You have to buy just what you need for your week. You can't buy grocery again. Come like a big shop where you go, like where they are Jamaica, go buy pound of flour, pound of sugar, pound of rice, pound of chicken. Big rotted shop where you go. Can't buy grocery again. Cannot buy grocery again. You can't go eat with your family. You can't. You cannot afford it. Statistics show say if you now make $40 an hour in Toronto, you can't pay your rent. I'm sure to God a few people make $40 in this. Minimum wage is $15. What happened to those people? What happened to those people that doesn't have a partner? May God go with you. Because you're going to need his health and his strength. And with Prime Minister sit down and alright with this. If me never vote a day in my life, me tell you say me a vote to get you out. And all the non-voters, I would suggest you go out there and strongly vote to get this man out. I strongly suggest this. Because done Canada done. Yeah. So now, you say a student I cause a December take his student visa, then must stop them and who they are, he might deport some of them. Now you tell me. You tell me, come to Canada, they say. I think the worst thing me ever do, I have me pick them in Canada and grow them here. I think that's the worst thing I've ever done. But then again, God knows best. Because at them time, I foot here now. Because me no bill for this separation here. Me no bill for brother. But me have to tough it out for me pick them. Me no bill for this separation. I don't bill for it. God know me can't manage it. Me no bill for it. I would have run a long time. But I can't run with my kids. I'm not that type of mother. When you get old, you know, now when you fear retire, you know. What you going to do? You don't have the money for going to nursing home. Where you go to guy shelter with 10,000 other people? Eh? God go with we.
So yes, my people, so now I want to listen to her video, right? I want to give my input upon this. American dream, Canadian dream, England dream. Remember back in the days, my people, when you could really come a foreign and make a living, proper, decent living for send back that money, go back a yard or abroad or wherever, right? Right now, the way our life is right now, my people, like the way how everything is right now, it's twice as harder, but from them times until now, if you see you back up a little money, if you send back a yard, so it's going to get even twice as harder to build up a local place, right? Remember, you know, they used to sell this American dream. You could then come up a foreign and buy a nice car, get a local house, and still have money back to send back a yard and build up a yard and have that dream life and everything is good and nice, right? I think that's probably like the 70s or 60s or 80s because right now we're not there. 2023, 2024, next couple months from now, time I pass, you know, my people. And I see them thing with the prices of Jamaica, you know. Because watch you now, my people. I go back on the topic, you know. Watch you now. On the house project, right? I try to get the wall outside done. And I don't explain what happened. Oh, the money go. And I'll know I'm still going to get all my sanity and money, right? So, I call Jamaica, what do you hear? for ask them how much a bag of cement. Remember, you know, when me da build my house, my people, me da get a bag of cement for $1,300. Right? Some place could I get for $1,250. Right now, one bag of cement, my people, a $1,700, my people. One bag of cement, my people, is $1,700 Jamaican. So now, back then when me build my house, me da spend what, 250,000 with the land and everything, right? That's Canadian. Right now, if me build back over the house right now, it's gonna cost me probably 350,000 or even more, because the price of living, everything gone up. Because remember, if me that pay a trade man that time, they say $5,000 a day. Right now, you have to pay a trade man 7, 8, 9 grand, 10 grand a day. So you're right, this again, you say, oh, thing just it fluctuate by you, bam, chop in your leg. But then me that get all a ton, a truckload of sand for 50 grand. Right now, 80, 100. You understand? Gravel, the same thing. Blocks, the same thing. But then 1,000 block, you could get 100 blocks, say for $11,000. Right now, at 14,000. Some places it's even higher. Steel, same thing. So at the end of the day, every local thing and every local year go past, you know, everything will get even more and more and more expensive, you know. So if you sit down there and you take your time, not see, I always tell people this, you know. I'm tell my family in Jamaica, you know. I say, yo, just rather buy up the material, and I say, yo, why you go buy this much cement for? Because I say, you better buy at least the next 50 pack of cement and have it there in the house. You say, it's going to probably hard up. I say, no, go hard up. Because it's in the house, no water, no touch it and stuff like that. You understand? Because the longer you sit down and wait my people and more money, it's going to cost you. Like me tell somebody, you know, don't sit down and save no money in a bank. Buy material and put it down. From have a place where you can store it, buy material and put it down, because it'll be cheaper for you. Because right now, me can't believe when them tell me say $1,700 a bag for a bag of cement right now, my people. So, for building a house and buying a house right now, these days are going to be even totally hard for we. You understand? And like me, that's with the American foreign dream, my people. If you have kids and this and that, you know, I'm sorry for you, you know, just put your mind past it. Because you can't even buy a house in Toronto right now. I think everything gone over $1 million or $1.5 million in Toronto, or $2 million. You understand? So, right now, the way the system, the place I look sketchy to me right now. Even put it on my dispatch and say, yo, I move back to yard. And I know me have a, why me say that, you know, but I go do a full video upon it. Why me say that, you know, because me have a talent where I can go anywhere and work, right? Because I do music video and I do photo shoot, so I can go back a yard, do a photo shoot and make good money. You understand? I can do a music video, make good money, right? I can brand myself. You understand? So now, like, me I go back to Jamaica and go suffer. And so the next thing to know, more just have to look out for our property one place and not two places. Because when I live a foreign, you know, like, this is the dream what everybody want. For come a foreign, for live, so they can afford a house here and afford a house back there. Once you live in Jamaica now, you only have to afford a house one places, not two places. You understand? But a lot of people now really get what me I really say to them, you know. It's like it just a go through your ears and it pass through. You not really understand what me I try to tell you. It's gonna be hard, bro. We over here as Jamaicans or Caribbean nationalities, it's very harder for we over here, you know. Me hear a man message in the comment and say, oh, go here to want to live a foreign and you must think. What him say, I can't even remember what him say, but me that read the comment and me just ignore the negativity, right? He must say, me that choose foreign life over Jamaica life 1,000,000%, and he must never, I think that somebody live in Canada, he must say, yo, he must never go back to Jamaica, go live. Your time so come, we are going to really reflect back on them statement there. And say, you know what? You know, so they're right. Because the time I get hard over here, and my people, and it started to happen already. You know, more homeless people are go homeless. You know, my people, like I see people sit down in a situationship over here, so because they can't afford to rent my people. For rent a 1-bedroom apartment right now at rent at $2,500. So that call us a $250,000 Jamaican. Remember, you know, minimum wage $15-16 an hour. When you calculate it for the month, you get $2,000. That so your cost of living done already, and you can't even afford. So now you have to sit down in a relationship with somebody to make ends meet, or you go rent out a basement or rent out a room with somebody where you don't like. You understand? So this dream, what we have people, it corrupt. Me see my couple of my bridging them now. The way them a struggle, bros. Right now, I just got the bank machine. I'm saying I got deposit all money for pay off my credit card. And, you know, when me look, bro, me look on somebody, you know, receipt, and the people them in a negative $3,000-$5,000 in them bank overdraft, you know, my people. To show you how people just live off a credit card right now, you know, or live off a credit line, you know. To show you how the things sticky over here, you know, man. Because even me right now, I'm not work, but me just have to balance off. Lucky, like me say, lucky me have a skill. So me can get up and go do a one music video when it come in, or me get a one photo shoot when it come in. Because me have to sit down and like right now, the film industry still crash. No work now go on same way. How long now me have to sit down? My foot just start get back better my people. Me have to show you know, cause you know, don't know. I'm up on a journey with me from a long time. You see it there? But people, I'm showing the story. Because right now, at the best time now, for come and buy up these type of stuff for Jamaica. Because I know everything gone on sale because the summer are done. So some of these stuff would have been nice. All the egg chair, I say, I will leave people. Jamaica, 80,000 for the egg chair, and my people. But some people are selling on Facebook market $100 a piece, and I can just send it off. I think I bought something like this for ship off. But me just go now, I could tour the place to my people. So you can check it out. Because right now, this is like one of my favorite stores for come through. I think I bought something like this in my people before. Yeah man, I buy something exactly like this, but for cheaper than that. I think about 2 years ago. Yeah man. You see all them nice things I know when people have on your patio outside. But I love to have this all upstairs on the balcony, you know. You know, look on that all $200 for the table there. You don't know how much this set would be, but right this again. Like the story of whole heap of goodies. Them stuff you want buy up for have upstairs, you know. And some outside stuff for downstairs. Even this what me that love to have all this all upstairs and just look off on the view. You know what I mean? Some of them stuff here. Look on all the nice thing here, about $2,000 for that, you know, my people. But again, you buy what you want at the end of the day, you know. So, people who are build house and things, please just, if you have a goal and have a dream, my people, don't wait till it's too late. Because like I said, everything is going to go up. Everything is getting more and more expensive, no matter what. Everything is going up more and more and more and more. And you go ball. But me did tell you, what go on? Me did tell you no. It'll get more and more, price a double, price a triple. Me sorry, me looking at it forget for tile off upstairs. I mean, I have to just look back on it and say, you know what? Hold it all off right now, yeah man. Because tile price gone through the roof. The tile off upstairs alone, I got roughly run me a $700,000 Jamaican. And that's probably with paying the man and, you know, buying the tile. Tile alone, I got run me. Oh, the pillar is soft and nice, you know, my people. Some of them soft pillar I need for the Airbnb, you know, because more people have come enjoy life good, you know. You know, buy no cheap pillow, you know, more nice, comfortable pillow over there. Hopefully not come and run off with my pillow them. But I need some nice pillow. But yeah man, people check out the store, man, like can't remember the name of the store, but yeah, YJYSK. Nice store, man, people. Like I said, everything that's on sale right now. You know, yeah, that's up. Everything that's on sale where you can get all them nice things that you want in your house. You know, them nice stools and stuff for the run of your kitchen aisle and all of them things there. You know. When me there at Jamaica, I think them stool there. I wait there. I think A stool like this in Jamaica, if you go for active, you know, my people, you're referring about 30,000-40,000 dollars, you know. Right, that's a $99 feet, you understand? Something like this, I run about a 30,000-40,000 type of quality. When me got a quote, I think something like this was $18,000. $100 feet, but them on a flimsy. I'm gonna go with that. I go with this. Or even go with this one, yeah. The one are nice. Even the one that have a back brace. Yeah, man, how much of that one? And even the one are cheaper, I know, my people. $89 for this, you know. $89, my people. Look on all that one, yeah. Nice one, man. See, $89 that come past sale. So right now, my favorite time, if me have money right now, I know me I got me that try start pack all a barrel for cut away from right here. No joke in the night, you know, my people. No joke, all some of them nice carpet, you know, put around your bedside. So right now would be the best time, and nobody know no money right now, you know. So people, if me just say we don't care for Jamaica and just say yo, me just gonna live here permanently, I mean I want nothing to do with Jamaica like a lot of people right now, I think I will be well off. See, I will be well off. I would be well off here because I'd buy up everything I need and life would have been different. But not a lot of people like us want that life. We want to go back a yard. You understand? Like me I watch a youth and the man I say, every foreigner want to go back to Jamaica, every Jamaican want to go foreign. Because they don't know where they might get themselves enough to come over here, you know, my people. And that's the thing, you know. You see, you live this lifestyle, like me say, but they are Canada for almost 20 odd years right now, you know. So the difference is me live this Canadian lifestyle already. You understand? So you know, no way you impress us no more. And all we want is a peace and quiet to go back home. But same people we are trying to help back home, and same people I'm going to try to tear it down back home. So just have to try to build up yourself and go outside and you know, move away from the negative people and when you go back home with people and try to make it work. Like me say, I don't know, but it's just gonna get more worse from whole heap away if you're not really say you need to think logically how you want to live your life, because in the next few couple years from now, my people, you see your grocery price gone up, rent gone up, hydro gone up, phone bill gone up, internet gone up, everything gone up. Only thing that gone up our paycheck. Come on now, my people, just look what me I talk about, man. The dream that dead, my people, the American dream dead. No more American dream not there. The happy lifestyle, now you can get everything at Jamaica. Every single thing. So now like back, you know, one couple of days when you couldn't get nothing at Jamaica. Every single thing there at Jamaica. Jobs there at Jamaica. Online jobs. Remember, you know, people see a lot of people throw rocks from where I come from. I mean, I tell you, say, Jamaica gonna be a big superpower in the Caribbean one of them days. Yeah. I'm not joke about it. Because English speaking place compared to the Spanish speaking place. I remember, you know, when they build the new logistic route for over Water Island for the transport department for the like just like Panama Canal. And when Jamaica live up in my people, I don't know who runway, I don't want to buy a house and buy land over there. And I go feel it, you know. Because it get too expensive. So people even if you just want to buy a land right now and just hold on upon it, you buy a land right now for $1 million Jamaican. Me I tell you, say, by the next 2-3 years, you'll look on all $3-4 million for that same piece of land. Don't save your money in a bank, it now grow. Buy a land and hold on, my people. If me have money right now, I buy a piece more land, I buy my house and build my house, my people. No joke now in night, you know. Because that's where wealth come from. You understand? That's where the wealth come from. Just buy the land them, you see. When my stepfather buy a field and he buy it for what? You say he buy it for $2 million for 2 square. Right? Right now he can sell it for $40,000. That's $4 million. Right now, in 2 years, he buy it double up. You understand? It double up. Right away, so me I tell you, people go back to Jamaica, man. And look into yourself and say, you know what? let me save up $3 million and go look and go buy a piece of land. You know, have to be the best piece of land, you know. But a nice piece of land. You understand? And I so come, you go see that one investment there. More me tell you if you do. I go blossom. Now a bigger investment. Because I know your mindset I go start to change. But see when you don't have nothing, you have a different mindset. See when you have something, a yard, your mindset I go say, you know what, I'm go down there. I'm just start build a little bit. And a little bit. And a little bit. And I saw it I go continue until you finish your property. But don't so long a foreign my people. And waste no money. If you live, you want to live, you don't want to go back a yard. Yes, everything. We have no problem with that. I have no problem. It's not everybody is going to go back to them countries. But me for sure, I live up from over yesterday because nothing yesterday for me no more. Nothing there yesterday for me. No happiness there yesterday no more. Remember me tell you that. Yes, my life I would have just travel. Some you want to live my life, then just travel. Now I live at Jamaica, I don't want to live here. But that's why I'm going to travel the world. Call it a day. But people, you don't know I love ranting, so that's my ranting for today. You know, I'm not really holding up because the video probably going to be like 30 minutes because of me that insert other people in. But I'm going to start with some more videos. Oh, I'm doing this one. With the reaction and stuff. And hear what the lady have to say, my people. And hear what me have to say, you understand? And make life work. But again, people, I just want to thank again everybody who keep on liking the channel, sharing up the videos, subscribing, and just continue pushing the youth because you don't know. We need the subscriber, we need the views, we need everything, my people. So I just say, you know what? Just bless upon yourself. Probably next week I'm going to the downtown walking video, the walkthrough, because now my foot I feel a bit better. And I still a push through. You understand, my people? So I just want everybody just bless upon yourself. Thanks again for liking, sharing, supporting the youth. And everybody just go and big up on yourself. Your boy Jay is out.